शुक्लां भरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये. Good evening, everyone. We are learning Krishnashtakam. We will revise the slokas that we recited yesterday. Yes, Madhurya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. First.
वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचानूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्.
Excellent. Yes, Dhanyashri.
अतसी पुष्पसङ्काशं हारनूपुरशोभितं रत्नकङ्कणकेयूरं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्.
Third one.
कुटिलालकसंयुक्तं पूर्णचन्द्रनिभाननं विलसत्कुण्डलधरं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Madhurya, welcome.
Ma'am, can you show the English translation? मन्दारागन्धसंयुक्तं चारुसं चतुर्भुजं बर्हि पिञ्चवाचुण्डकं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्.
Repeat after me. Mandaragandha.
Mandaragandha
Samyuktam.
Samyuktam
Charuhasam Chaturbhujam.
Charuhasam Chaturbhujam
Barhi Pinchava.
Barhi Pinchava
Chudangam.
Chudangam
Complete.
Krishna Vandhe Jagadgurum.
Krishnam Vande. Krishnam.
Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum.
Excellent. Yes, Harshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you try first sloka?
Yes, ma'am.
Can
you tell me the first one? Then I'll tell it.
Vasudeva Sutam Devam.
Vasudeva Sutam Deva Kasmi
Kamsa Chanuramardanam.
Kamsa Chanuravardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum.
Excellent. Nidardani.
Yes, ma'am.
Atasi Pushpa.
Atasi Pushpa
Sankasham.
Shankasham
Haranupura. Shobhitam. Ratnakankana. Keyuram.
Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum.
Excellent.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Dhanshika.
Yes, ma'am.
Kutilalaka. Samyuktam. Purnachandra. Nibhananam. Vilasat. Kundaladharam. Krishnam. Vande. Jagadgurum. Excellent.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Vritti. Priti?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Mandara. Gandha. Samyuktam. Charuhasam. Chaturbhujam. Barhi. Pinjava. Chudangam. Krishnam. Vande. Jagadgurum. Excellent. Welcome. Pranav. Pranav.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Utpulla.
Utpulla,
Padma.
Padma,
Patraksham.
Patraksham,
Neelajimuta.
Neelajimuta,
Sannibham.
Sannibham,
Yadavanam.
Yadavanam,
Shiroratnam.
Shiroratnam,
Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum.
Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum.
Excellent. Yes, Danshika.
Yes, ma'am.
Rukmini.
Rukmini,
Keli.
Keli,
Samyuktam.
Samyuktam,
Pitambara.
Bitambara,
Pitambara.
Pitambara,
Sushobhitam.
Sushotibam,
Shobhitam.
Sobitam.
Correct. Avapya.
Ma'am, I know that Asita thing.
Atasi, you know?
Yeah.
Yes, yes. I will make you to recite. Wait. Avapya.
Avapya,
Tulasi.
Tulasi,
Gandham.
Gundam,
Krishnam.
Krishnam,
Vande.
Vande,
Jagadgurum.
Jagadgurum.
You want to recite third sloka?
Yeah.
Yes. Recite.
Ma'am,
Ek nimsham.
Ma'am, I did
Dhanishri.
not-
Yes, yes. Dhanishri, wait.
Ma'am, I did not recite that Pulla Bhadra Bhadraksham, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. 1 minute. Okay, I will give you. Yes, Dhanshika.
Atisa Pushpa Sankatam. Ma'am, can you please go up little?
Athasi.
Atasi Pushpa Sankatam.
Shankasam.
Sankasam Haram Lupra Sobitam Ratna Kantana Kankana Keyuram Krishnam Vande Jagaduram.
Uttamam. Excellent.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Yes. Yes, Dhanishri. Dhanishri.
Utpulla Padma Padraksham Neelajimutasannibam Yadavanam Shiroratnam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum.
Excellent. Neelaji Muta. It is not Muta, Muta, Dirga. Okay.
नीलजीमूतसन्निभम्.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Vritti. 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 Okay, I can't hear you. Yes, Harshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Rukmini. Keli. Sayuktam. Pitambara. Sushobhitam. Shobhitam. Yes. Avapta. Tulasi. Vritti, mute yourself. Tulasi.
तुलसी
Gandham.
गंधम
Krishnam.
कृष्णम
Vande.
वंदे
Jagadgurum.
जगत गुरुम.
Switch on your video, Arshita. Yes, Madhurya.
Yes, ma'am. Can you show the English?
Yes.
Rukmani keli samyuktam pītāmbara sushobhitam avapata tulasi gandham krishnam vande jagadgurum.
Avapta.
Avapta tulasi
Correct.
gandham
Ekka nimisham.
krishnam
And first,
vande.
yes. Complete.
Krishnam vande jagadgurum.
In the first word, it is not Rukmani, it is Rukmini.
Okay, Rukmini.
Okay, yes, excellent. Pranav?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Rukmini keli samyuktam
Rukmini keli samyuktam
pitambara sushobhitam
pītāmbara sushobhitam
avapta tulasi gandham
avapta tulasi gandham
krishnam.
krishnam
Complete.
vande jagadgurum.
Excellent. We will see the new sloka. Danshika.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Gopikanam.
Ma'am, I didn't say the sloka, ma'am.
Wait, Dhanishri, don't disturb. Gopikanam.
Gopikanam
Kuchatvanda.
tu chaptavanda
Kuchad.
kuchad
Yes. Vanda.
vanda
Kunku.
kunkum
Mangita.
mangita
Vakshasam.
vakshasam
Sriniketam.
sriniketam
Maheshwasam.
maheshwasam
Krishnam.
krishnam
Complete.
krishnam vande jagadgurum.
Excellent.
Thank you,
Nidardani.
ma'am.
Welcome. Nidardani. Gopikanam.
Gopikanam
Kuchad.
kuchad
Vanda.
vanda
Kunkumangita.
कुङ्कुमाङ्कित
वक्षसं
वक्षसं
श्रीनिकेतं
श्रीनिकेतं
महेश्वासं
महेश्वासं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं.
Excellent.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Vritti? Vritti?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Gopikanam
Gopikanam
Kuchadvanda
Kudatvanta
Kunkumankita
Tuntumanika
Kunku
Kuntu
Mankita
Mantita
Vakshasam
Vachasam
Sriniketam
Srinita
Maheshwasam Maheshwasam
Maheshwasam
Krishnam
Krishnam
Vande
Vande
Jagadgurum.
Jagadgurum.
Excellent.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Harshita?
Video चालू रहेगा. Yes, ma'am.
Gopikanam Gopikanam
Gopikanam
Kuchadvanda
Kuchadvanda
Kunkumankita
Kunkumankita
Vakshasam
Vakshasam
Sriniketam
Sriniketam
Maheshwasam
Maheshwasam
Krishnam.
Krishnam
Complete.
Vande Jagadgurum.
Excellent. Yes,
Thank
Dhanesh.
you, ma'am. Ma'am, I didn't study the Rukmini itself, ma'am.
Acha, okay, I will give you. Recite this one.
गोपिकानां कुचद्वंज कुङ्कुमाङ्कितरवक्षसं श्रीनिकेतं महेश्वासं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्.
Excellent.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Madhurya?
Yes, ma'am.
Um,
Gopikanam kuchadvanda kunkumankitavakshasam Sriniketam Maheshwasam Krishnam Vande Jagat Gurum.
excellent. Pranav?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, I can say. Gopikanam kuchadvanda Kunkumankitavakshasam Sriniketam Maheshwasam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum.
Excellent. We will go to next sloka with Vritti. Srivat
Ma'am, she is coming. Just a moment.
Yeah. Yes. Nidardani. Nidardani. Srivatsankam. Others, please mute yourself. Sri Nidardani. Srivatsankam.
Shivasankam
Mahoraskam.
Mahoraskam
Vanamala.
Vanamala
Virajitam.
Virajitam
Shankachakra.
Shankachakra
Dharam Devam.
Dharam Devam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum. Thank you,
Excellent.
ma'am.
Welcome. Yes, Nidardani.
Yes.
Yes, Nidardani, you did, no? Vritti? Vritti?
Yes.
Srivatsankam. Srivat. Okay, voice is not coming. Check with your audio. Danshika. Danshika. Mute yourself, Vritti. Danshika.
Yes, ma'am.
Srivatsankam.
Srivatsankam
Maho.
Maho
Raskam.
Taskam
Switch on your video. Vanamala.
Vanamala
Virajitam.
Virajitam
Shankachakra.
Shankachakra
Dharam Devam.
Dharam Devam
Krishnam.
Krishnam
Complete.
Vande Jagadgurum.
Excellent.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Harshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Srivatsankam. Voice is not coming.
Srivatsankam
Mahoraskam.
Mahoraskam
Vanamala.
Manamala
Virajitam.
Taskam
Shankachakra.
Shankachakra
Dharam Devam.
Dharam Devam
Krishnam.
Krishnam
Complete.
Vande Jagadgurum.
Excellent. Mute yourself, Harshita. Background something is coming. It is disturbing. Yes, Madhurya.
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
Srivatsankam Mahoraksham Vanamala Virajitam Shankachakradharam Devam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum.
Excellent. Mahoraskam. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Mahoras.
Yes. Dhanyashri.
Ma'am, Srivatsangam Mahoraksham Ganamala Virajitam Shankrachakradharam Devam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum.
Excellent. Okay. Can you recite that first line again?
Srivatsangam Mahoraksham.
Ekanimsham. Srivatsankam. Kam. It is not gum. Kam.
Srivatsankam Mahoraksham
Maho.
Vanamala.
Ekanimsham. Mahoraskam.
Srivatsankam Mahoraskam Vanamala Virajitam.
Wait. Shankachakra.
Shankachakradharam Devam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum.
Excellent. Pranav.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Srivatsankam Mahoraskam Vanamala Virajitam Shankachakradharam Devam Krishnam Vande Jagadguram.
Excellent. Only first word. Srivatsankam.
Srivatsankam.
Correct.
Okay.
Okay. We will have the last sloka. Yes. Danshika.
Yes, ma'am.
Krishnashtaka.
Krishnastaka
midam punyam
midam punyam
prata
prata
ruddhaya
uttaya
yah pathet
yapatet
koti janma
koti jamma
kritam papam
kritam mamat
kritam papam
kritam papam
smarena
smarena
vinashyati
vinashati
smara
smara
nena
sneha
vinashyati.
vinashati.
Excellent.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Agamya. Agamya.
Yes, ma'am.
Krishnashtaka
Krishna
midam punyam
idam punyam
prataruddhaya
pratarudraya
yah pathet
yakpatet
koti janma
koti janma
kritam papam
kritam papam
smaranena
smaranena
vinashyati
vinakshati
vinashyati.
vinakshati.
Excellent. Harshita.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Yes,
Harshita.
ma'am.
Krishnashtakamidam
Krishnastaka kamidam
punyam
punyam
prataruddhaya
patharuttaya
yah pathet
yapaten
koti janma
koti janma
kritam papam
kritam papam
smaranena
maranena
vinashyati.
vinashyati.
Excellent. Concentrate, Harshita. Don't play while taking class, okay? Attending class, you must be attentive. Nidhardani.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Krishnashtaka
Krishnastaka
midam
midam
punyam
punyam
prata
prata
ruddhaya
ruttaya
yah pathet
yapate
koti janma
koti jamma
kritam papam
kritam papam
smara
smara
nena vinashyati.
vinashyati.
Excellent.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Vritti. Yes. Krishnashtaka
Krishnastaka
midam
midam
punyam
punyam
prata
prata
ruddhaya
ruttaya
yah pathet
yapate
koti janma
koti janma
kritam papam
kritam papam
Papam.
Papam.
Smara.
Spara.
Nena.
Nena.
Vinashyati.
Vinachyati.
Excellent.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Dhanyashri.
कृष्णाष्टकम् इदं पुण्यं प्रातरुत्थाय यः पठेत् कोटिजन्म कृतं पापं स्मरणेन विनश्यति.
Excellent. Madhurya.
Ma'am.
Madhurya.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah.
Ma'am, the first word how to pronounce?
Yes, Krishnashtaka.
Krishnashtakamidam punyam pratarutthaya yah patel koti janmam kritam papam smarenena vinashyati.
Excellent, Madhurya. Pranav.
Okay, ma'am. Krishnashakamidam
Eka
punyam
nimsham. Krishnashtaka. Krishna.
Krishnashtak
Yes.
Krishnashtakamidam punyam pratarutthaya yah patel
Ruthaya. Prataruthaya.
प्रातरुत्थाय यः पठेत्
Hmm.
कोटिजन्म कृतं पापं
Hmm.
स्मरणेन विनश्यति.
Excellent. Complete this. Okay. E.T. Pranav. Recite
Okay.
after me. E.T.
इति
Sri Krishnashtakam.
श्रीकृष्णाष्टकं
Sampurnam.
सम्पूर्णं.
Yes, Krishnashtakam means Ashtaka means art. Krishna means Lord Krishna. So Krishna sloka 8 sloka completed. That is the meaning. Okay. Yes, Madhurya.
Yes, ma'am.
E.T.
इति श्रीकृष्णाष्टकं समूर्पणं
Sampurnam.
सम्पूर्णम्.
Excellent. Yes, Harshita.
Yes, ma'am.
E.T.
Yes, sir.
E.T.
Iti.
Sri
Sri
Krishnashtakam.
Krishnastakam
Sampurnam.
Sampurnam.
Dhanyashri.
Ma'am, I didn't say the sixth one, ma'am. Actually.
Yes, say it is completed. Yes, wait. Make them others to recite. Okay, ma'am. Yes. Dhanishri, you recited this one last line?
No, ma'am.
Yeah, recite. That's what I called you. E.T. That line.
Iti Sri Krishnastakam Sampurnam.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Excellent recitation, Dhanishri.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Yes, Dhanshika.
Yes, ma'am.
E.T.
Iti
Sri
Sri
Krishnashtakam.
Krishnastakam
Krishna
Krishna
Ashtakam.
Shastakam
Ashtakam.
Ashtakam
Sampurnam.
Sampurnam.
Okay, I will end the class with Shanti Mantram. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Thank you.